It is true, and it's been documented. I don't have the statistics with me at the moment, but victims in religious and traditional households do stay in abusive situations much, much longer than secular counterparts. So for a family, for individuals that are in a certain collectivist community where calling the police and having a police come to the door is shameful, it reflects shamefully on the spouse, on the wife and the husband. It will affect the in-laws. Everyone will find out about it. Next thing you know, everyone's talking about it. This is a strong deterrent to calling the police for help. I think it's been established that Jewish victims stay in abusive marriages, I think twice as long as Protestants, and Muslim victims stay 5 times as long. I'm certain those are the statistics. That's what I remember reading. So that really does tell you the effect of shame and stigma, how it affects victims. And a lot of it has to do with the issues that Cindy talked about. It has to do with the financial control. It has to do with the fact that a lot of times women in traditional families do not have income of their own. Money issues are taboo. They don't have the ability to just, grab some funds and move out and get their own place and get their own job. They are really stuck in very dangerous situations sometimes. And because of the culture, the shame, not really having a support system other than a support system that tells them to stay married, when they do ask for help, oftentimes what will happen is they will be told, go back home, things will get better. We talked to your husband, he's not going to do that anymore. All of the momentum is really geared towards go back home. It's your fault. Maybe you should cook the food he likes, or maybe you shouldn't yell at him, or maybe you need to deal with the kids a little bit better. There's a lot of victim blaming that goes on in traditional and religious marriages. And I'm not going to generalize. It really is across the board. I've seen it in every religion. It really is really a power and control dynamic. It's not really because of the religion. And to just broaden it a little bit more, there is more domestic violence, coercive control, certainly financial control, when there is that uneven financial levels in a couple. So you will see more violence, more victims staying longer in cases where the victim doesn't have economic independence.